Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing really well. We already know about Word 2021. Okay, we have studied about this in our previous class. And in this class, we will learn how to do editing in Word 2021. Okay, so chapter name is Editing in Word 2021. Chapter profile, selecting text, moving and copying text, undo and redo, finding and replacing text, correcting spelling and grammar. In the previous chapter, we have learned about some features of Word 2021. In this chapter, we will learn about the editing features of Word 2021. While typing text in a document, we may want to add text, delete the text, or shift a part of the text from one location to another. Making such changes in the text is called editing. Before learning to edit text, we need to learn how to select text in a document. Okay, so in the previous chapter, we learned about some interesting features of Word 2021. So here we will learn about the editing features. Whenever we type in a document, sometimes we want to add a text or sometimes we want to delete it. Sometimes we want to shift some part of the text from one location to another. So whenever we are making such changes, these changes are called editing. But before learning editing, we should learn first that how to select text. Because whenever we do editing, the first step is to select the text. Okay, so let's learn selecting text. To select the specific text in document, follow the given steps. Step 1. Place the cursor before the text you wish to select. Step 2. Hold down the left mouse button and drag the mouse over the text to be selected. Step 3. Release the mouse button. The selected text gets highlighted. There are multiple ways to select the text using mouse. See the table below. Okay, first let's learn how to select the text. First, place the cursor before the text you want to select. Then hold down the left mouse button and drag over the text. Now release the mouse button. Now your selected text gets highlighted. Okay, but there are multiple ways to select the text. See, this is the table given over here. To select word, if you want to select word, what you have to do is click and drag or just double click on the word. Okay, you will double click, the word gets highlighted or the word gets selected. Okay, next, line, click and drag or click on the selection to the left of the line. Paragraph, click and drag or triple click in the paragraph or double click on the selection area to the left of the paragraph. Block of text, click and drag or click to the left of the first word, hold down the shift key and then immediately click to the right of the last word. Okay, so this procedure is for if you want to select block of text. Next is entire document. If you want to select entire document, then triple click in the selection area or hit the Ctrl+A key. So you have two options, either you can triple click in the selection area or you will hit the Ctrl+A keys. Okay, now moving and copying text. So there are various ways to edit text in Word. Let us study the basic and most commonly used options for editing. First is moving the text. Often we need to move text from one location in a document to another or a different application. So to move the text, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the text you want to move. Step 2. Click on the cut icon located on the Home tab in the clipboard group. Step 3. Position the cursor at the location where you want to place the selected text. Step 4. Click on the paste icon located on the Home tab in the clipboard group. The selected text appears at the desired location. See, sometime we want to move our text from one location to another or sometime to a different application. Okay, so first you need to select the text. Okay, this is the first step. Okay, after selecting the text, now we'll click on cut icon, the scissor icon. Okay, and then we will position the cursor where we want to place this text. Now click on paste icon. Okay. Next is copying the text. Copy option is used to duplicate the text. The only difference between copy paste and cut paste features is that the copy feature copies the text but does not remove the text from its original place and the cut feature does. Okay. So there is a basic difference between copy paste and cut paste. Okay, copy option duplicates the text okay, and but it does not remove the text from its original place, but cut option removes the text from its original position, okay. To copy the text, follow the given steps. Step 1, select the text you want to copy. Step 2, click on the copy icon located on the home tab in the clipboard group. Step 3, position the cursor at the location where you want to place the selected text. Step 4, click on the paste icon located on the home tab in the clipboard group. The copy text appears at its new location in the document. Okay, so before learning about the steps, first we learn smart tips. There are some shortcut keys, okay, given. Press Ctrl plus C to copy the text, okay. Press Ctrl plus X to cut the text, and press Ctrl plus V to paste the text. So remember all these shortcut keys, okay. Now let's copy the text. First, of course, we will select the text, then click on the copy icon. Now we will position the cursor where we want to place this text, and then click on paste icon, and now you can see your copied text is now at new location, okay. Now undo and redo. The undo command is used to cancel or roll back the last action taken. Okay, if you want to cancel the last action taken, what will we do? We will use undo command. Okay, for example, if we just deleted a word from a document and want to get it back, we use the undo command. For this, click on the undo button present on the quick access toolbar. The redo command reverses the action of the undo command. Okay, this command can only be used only if we have used the undo command. Okay, so rule for using the redo command is we will use this option only if we have used the undo command. Only then we can redo the action. Okay, there are some shortcut keys also. Smart tip: press Ctrl plus Z to undo and press Ctrl plus Y to redo. Okay, now finding and replacing text. While looking for certain words in a large document, it is very inconvenient to go through the entire text. Microsoft Word has find and replace features that automates the process of search as well as replacement of the text. Okay. For example, we have created our document and it is a large document, so it is very difficult for us to find a certain word. Okay, but don't worry, there is an option. Microsoft Word has an option, that is find and replace feature. Okay, so find text in the document. To find the required text in a document, follow the given steps. Step 1, select the home tab. Step 2, in the editing group, select the find tool. On the left side of the window, a navigation pane displays. Step 3, in the text box, type the term or word you want to search. Word highlights each instance of the word across the document. In the navigation pane, results is a preview of all the sentences or paragraphs of text that contain the selected words. Step 4, to access the search result in the document, click the results link. Okay, now let's follow the steps to find text in the document. First, select home tab and in editing group, find tool. Select this. Okay, and here you can see navigation pane displays. Okay, now in the text box, type the term or word you want to search, and then here word will highlight each instance of the word, and in navigation pane, result is a preview of all the sentences. Okay, now to access the search result, click the results link. Okay, next, replace text. To find a specific words in a document and replace it with other words, follow the given steps. Step 1, click on the home tab. Step 2, click on replace tool in the editing group. A find and replace dialog box open. The replace tab is selected by default. Step 3, type the word or words to be searched and replaced in the find what box. Step 4, type the word or words to replace it within the replace with box. Step 5, click on find next button. Word searches for the word or text. If the word is in the text, it gets highlighted. You can replace the word or words by clicking on replace button or replace all button. Replace all the steps till all the words have been replaced in the document. A text box appears showing the word has completed the search and asking whether you want to search more or not. Step 6, click the yes if you want to search more and no if you don't want to search. Step 7. Click on close button to close the find and replace dialog box. Okay. Now let's replace the text. But before that, let's learn about some smart tip. To find text, press Ctrl plus F, and to replace text, press Ctrl plus H. Okay. So remember these shortcut keys. Okay. So sometimes we need to replace a word. So first step is to first find that word and then replace that word with another word. Okay. So first we'll click on Home tab. Then we'll click on Replace tool. Here Find and Replace dialog box opens. Okay. Replace tab is selected by default. Now find word box. In this box type the words to be searched and replaced. Okay. And now in replace with box, you will type the word which you want to replace with. And then click on find next button. Okay. You can replace the words by clicking on replace button or replace all button. You can choose anyone. Okay. If you want to search more, then click yes. And if you don't want to search, then click on no. Then click on close button. Okay. Next is correcting spelling and grammar. MS Word has an option for checking spelling and grammatical errors. It either gives an indication or auto-corrects the spellings as they are typed. The following checks are present in Word. A red wavy line is underlined beneath spelling errors. A green wavy line is underlined beneath grammatical errors. So to check the spelling and grammatical errors in a document, follow the given steps. Okay. See, whenever we type a document, so unknowingly we make some mistakes. There are some grammatical mistake or we make some spelling mistakes. Okay. So whenever a red wavy line you see in your document, that means there is some spelling error. And if you find a green wavy line, okay, under your sentence or under your some words, then this is grammatical error. So there is an option by which we can rectify our misspellings and grammar. Okay. So what will you do? First, open a Word document that needs to be checked. Click on the Review tab. Step 2, select the spelling and grammar option in the proofing group and the first suggested correction is highlighted. Step 3, select the suggested correction and click on the Change All button. Or right click on the incorrectly spelled word and a list of suggested corrections will appear. Select the option which meets your requirement. You will observe that the incorrect spelling is replaced by the selected options. Step 4. After correcting the spelling in the whole document, Microsoft Word prompts a text. Spelling and grammar check is complete. Click OK. Okay. Before learning about the steps, you should know about the smart tip. To use the spelling and grammar, press Shift plus F7. Remember that. Okay. So first, open a Word document that needs to be checked and then click on Review tab. Select spelling and grammar option. Okay. Then here are the suggested correction. Then click on the suggested correction and click on the Change All button. Or alternatively, you can do right click on the incorrectly spelled word and then list of suggested corrections appears. Okay. So you can select from these options also. Now you have corrected the spelling. Okay, now the Microsoft Word prompts a text. Spelling and grammar check is complete. Okay, now click on OK and the process has been completed. Revision time. Making changes in the text is called editing. Copy feature copies the text but does not remove the text from its original place as the cut feature does. The undo command is used to cancel or roll back the last action taken. The redo command reverses the action of the undo command. To find a word or text in a document, we use the find command. The replace command in a document substitutes a specific word or text. Spell check is the process of checking for spelling and grammatical errors. So here comes the end of this chapter, students. Keep doing practice of this chapter.